guys, wagwan, wagwan. I'm so excited. First and foremost, I just want to thank you guys. My video basic on how to speak patwa to me has got so many views. It's over 300 so far, and to me that's a lot because all my other video has never reached so many views. And I honestly want to thank you guys because it means a lot to me. So I thought, since I got the comments saying make more video, I'm gonna do a series of these video to take you guys deeper and deeper and deeper. So today's video is basically basic on how to speak patwa, too. It's like a lesson, and what I did, guys, is I put on my Jamaican outfit. Yes, I have a lot of Jamaican outfit. Like, I had like a blazer, as you can see right here. It's not a blazer, I'm sorry, it's a jacket. You see my flag. And then what I did is I put a necklace on, a Jamaican necklace on, and I have just one bracelet, but that's like, I'm gonna show you my entire outfit when I'm done. So welcome, guys, wagwan. I hope you guys remember wagwan, where you're born, all the stuff that we discuss. I'm excited. So the first word of the day today is boat. You know how in Jamaica, in American English, we said about, A-B-O-U-T, about, So don't worry about it. We said don't worry about it. So the key word is about, but we use bout, B-O-U-T. So instead of saying A-B-O-U-T, we just take out the A and put the B-O-U-T. So bout. So if someone in America say don't worry about it, you could come back and say it in patwa, don't worry about it. So don't worry about it. Tell somebody, just don't worry about something. Like, for instance, if I get promoted and when I get promoted in my job, if someone wants to know, what did you do so special to get you to be promoted? May I tell them, no worry about it, sinner. Don't worry about it, because it's not none of their business. So you're telling somebody, don't worry about it. Anything personal in your life, you don't want no one to know, because certain stuff is not meant for everyone. So they say, don't worry about it. So the first word was about. And the next word is, when you're done and you're finished, like you may be doing a project. When I was in college, I was always doing papers after papers. So I'll be done, and I'm finished with it. I'm just excited. So the word is done. Like, me done my paper, me done work for the day, me done exercise, me done cook, me ready for relax, cause me done. Done is when you're done doing what you're doing. You can tell somebody, say, me done. You want hang out? No? Alright, me can't hang out? No, because I'm done. I'm done my paper. I'm off work. Me done. So me done work for the day. Done work for the day. I am done work for the day. And the next word that we're gonna actually use is, this is to me the funniest thing. You know how we watch like shows or movies and there's ghosts? This is just like different. We don't say ghost, we said Duppy. I think this is amazing. Duppy instead of ghost, like you could be sleeping at night. Oh my gosh, I see ghosts. Missy the Duppy. Oh my gosh, there's a Duppy here now. I never liked Duppy when I was in Jamaica, because that means it's a ghost. I don't like ghosts. I don't believe in Duppy. So instead of saying ghost, we said Duppy. Isn't that funny? At least I thought it was funny. Well, when I came here, I realized, whoa, Duppy, ghost, that's like two different things, but it is the same thing. Duppy is ghost. So Duppy, ghost, okay? And the next word that we're gonna use is say you want something or somebody has your key, like some boy's playing with me trying to grab my keys and he got it. I'm like, just give me my keys, give me no youths. So if you want something that's yours and someone has it, just say gimme. So give me is gimme the key now. What wrong with you? Just give me the key. Give me my key so me can get in my car and go. Vroom, vroom. So pretty much give me my keys so I can get in the car and go. Gimme, okay? And if you want someone to go away, like say someone like, might as well, like someone just annoyed you and you just don't want to be bothered at this moment. You just want to relax, say, So to say go away, just say gweh, gweh, gweh gyal, gweh boy. Do you understand what I just did? I used the word that we discussed last week. So I say gweh boy for boy, gweh gyal for gyal. You know? So go girl. So gweh girl, gweh boy. So gweh, it means you going away. Gweh, go away. So when you start using the word we learned last week as, you know, boy, you say gweh boy, mean leave me alone, boy. Just go away, boy. Gweh girl, gweh gyal, leave me alone, girl. So I kind of used the word we discussed last time and put it in this this week lesson. So gweh, just gweh now. Gweh, bye. Gweh, just go away. Gweh boy, gweh girl. Go away, boy. Go away, girl. Meaning I don't want to be bothered, so just go away. I hope my video is not too much. It seemed like it's a bit lengthy because I'm trying to put more into it. So let's hope it's not too lengthy because I don't want to have to record another one and keep, you know, going over it. And the next word is Irie, okay? Meaning it's like everything is alright. Irie. Everything cool over here. I feel Irie today. Me cool, you know, everything's cool. Everything is Irie. So Irie, I'm cool. Okay? And this is one of my favorite words is because throughout the course of my life, I've been through a lot, and just like anybody in this world, but God truly has blessed me. I have my own apartment, you know. I was able to go to college and get my bachelor's degree. I'm blessed to have a good job, and hopefully I see God blessing me in many areas of my life, like marriage and family, you know, when it's convenience for God, you know, when God is ready to bless me with these things. I'm looking forward to this. So Jah Bless, that's the word in Jamaican. Jah Bless means God bless me, you know. Jah bless me with an apartment. Jah bless me with a car, you know. Basically, God bless me with an apartment. God bless me with a car. So Jah bless, meaning, you know, we say God. Jah is for God and bless is just blessed, you know. So Jah bless me. You could use that word when you're just thankful for everything. Maybe you're about to get in a car accident from some way. Somehow God got you out of that car accident and you missed it. Jah bless you. So Jah bless you. That's one of my favorite words. I love it. And the next one is Likky-Likky. So when someone say Likky-Likky, that mean is like you're greedy or you like to eat everything. Like that girl so Likky-Likky, you know, she greedy. You know, you're just too Likky-Likky. You just want everything, you know. Likky-Likky. Me nice store, may I buy this. I want this, I want this, I want that. Calm down, you're greedy. Your mother bought you this. Why do you need to get that and that and that and that? Stop being Likky-Likky. You're just like someone else and you're getting all their food. You're just like, I want more, I want more. Come on, you too greedy. You're too Likky-Likky, gal. Chill out. So you're too greedy. Just chill. Okay, and this other word is called Renk. Renk is meaning either basically you smell bad or you're very rude. You can use it in two different forms. It depends on the sentences and how you use this word. So you could walk into someone's house and it has like a smell. You could like, it ranky. Why this person also rank? Meaning it smells. Or, you know, you could be like, that gyal there, or that boy there, so rude. That girl and that boy is rank. That gyal there and the boy there, them so ranky. So the girl and the boy is very rank. So that word is used in, when I say it in the first sentence, the second sentence that I just said, I'm talking like, oh, they're too rude. The boy and the girl is too word. But if you walk into someone else and you smell it, say it smell, you use rank in that other form. So they all rank. The person also rank. All right, the boy and the girl, them so rank. Meaning they're rude. Basically, that's what it means. I hope, oh my gosh, I think this video is so lengthy. I'm sorry in advance, people. I'm so sorry. I was just like checking the time and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've been speaking so long. It's because I'm trying to take you guys deeper. And the next word is vex. You know, when you're upset with someone, I'm vexed with her, you know. Me upset, me angry, me very frustrated. Nah, make me vex, you know. I'm vexed. Basically, me vex. Me just so vexed with that girl or that boy. Me so vexed with the boy or the girl. I'm so upset with that girl or that boy. So you can like, me vexed with them and I'm not chat to them. So remember from last week, chat is speaking. Me vex, you mean you just upset with someone. You're just furious with them. So you're vexed with them. So me vexed with this person. Me vexed because them said this and said that. Okay? And the last word of the day is Wata. You know how we say water? It's Wata. So we spell Wata in Jamaica, W-A-T-A. And in America, it's W-A-T-R. So you notice we have W-A-T-A, Wata. So me like to drink no, I lie. Me don't like to drink a lot of water. So basically, I say I don't like to drink a lot of water because I was just about to say I like to drink a lot of water, but I had to stop and think about it because I don't like to drink a lot of water at all. So basically, I don't like to drink lots of water at all. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to try to go over it really briefly and quickly and see if you know, we're going to go back over it just so you guys remember. So Wata is water. Me don't like to drink a lot of water. So I don't like to drink a lot of water. And then vex is basically when you're upset with someone, you're angry, you're frustrated. Me vex with that person. I'm upset with that person. And the next word is renk. Me walk into somebody else and their house renk. I walk into someone's house and their house smells. So renk. Me walk into somebody else's house and their house renk. Or the boy and the girl so ranky, meaning the boy and the girl is so, like, they just so rude. Very rude. And then the other word is licky-licky, meaning somebody's greedy. You're too licky-licky, you're too greedy. And of course, my favorite word, Jah Bless. You can use Jah Bless when you know God bless you with something and you feel so appreciated and you just want to tell God, Jah Bless. I want to tell somebody how much God has been so great to you. Jah bless you. So God bless you. And then the next word is I-ree. I-ree, me cool. I-ree, I'm alright. I'm cool. I-ree, me feeling I-ree, me alright. And the next one is Gweh Go. Just galang na gyal, galang gyal and boy. So from our last lesson, go ahead, go on, gyal, boy and girl. Gweh. So you tell somebody, leave you alone. Gweh, go away. And then gimme is give me. So in Jamaican, patwa is gimme. So you want something, give it to me. So gimme, okay? And obviously the word I ate, ghost, is duppy. You know, I see Duppy. You know, people say I see dead people. Missy Duppy. Oh my Lanta. I Duppy me just see now. I just see Duppy. I was just trying to act and be all dramatic. And then we said done, meaning done. D-O-N-E, and it done, D-U-N, for Jamaican, meaning I'm finished, I'm done doing work for the day. And the last word is about is boat. You know, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Instead of saying about, you say don't worry about it. I do hope you guys enjoy this lesson. It is a little bit lengthy, but I want to go deeper. And the more deeper I go, it require, you know, more time. So I hope I didn't bore you guys. I enjoy this. I enjoy talking to you guys as usual. Continue to comment. And I want to show you my outfits. Our OOTD Jamaican version. Again, I do got my Jamaican jacket on. Jamaican jacket on. Okay, and I got my Jamaican shorts. It's a little short, but you know I'm Jamaican. We love short, you know. Basically, we love to wear shorts. And I'm going to show you my full outfit. See? Got a white t-shirt on. My Jamaican jacket, and my shorts. Hey. To the dance. And I'm dancing. Hey. Jump to my left, jump to my right. Jump, gal. Jump. Do the jumping dance. May I dance? Anyways, guys, it was fun. Talk to you guys later. I love you guys. Subscribe, please, and thank you. Galang Let me go away now. Galang people. Gweh, gweh. Talk to you later. I love you guys.